Hi friend, Lance here. Today I want to walk you through a simple process you can use to figure out what you're actually up against if you want to rank for big topics in both AI answers and traditional search. Before you invest time and money on SEO inside of your company, there's one question you should always ask first. Should you even? Because some SEO campaigns are effectively lost before they start. So here's the problem. You want to rank for a big topic, fill in the blank with whatever matters in your industry, and you have one page on that topic right now, and the sites already winning have hundreds. They are not a ranking page. They are ranking an entire system of content that surrounds that topic. You are starting at zero while they are already established, trusted, visible wherever that topic shows up. That does not mean you should not try to compete. It means you need to understand what kind of race you are entering before you lace up those shoes. So this is where most teams get burned. They skip the reality check and jump straight to execution. So here's a simple process you can use to see the depth of the competition before you actually commit. Here's your activity. First, identify the dominant competitor in your space. Not who you wish you were competing with, but who is clearly winning visibility for the topics you care about. If you are unsure of who that is alone is a signal worth paying attention to. Next, open up a tool like Semrush or Ahrefs, and then go to their organic research tool under SEO, enter your competitor's domain, click into the positions tab, filter those to include keywords ranking in the top 10, then add an advanced filter to exclude branded keywords. You want topic authority, not brand gravity. After that, add a keyword filter using a single broad word tied to your topic. For example, leadership, compliance, analytics, security, whatever fits. Export that filtered view to a CSV. Open that in Google Sheets. I like to duplicate that sheet. In the duplicate sheet, select the URL column, then go to Data, Cleanup, and remove all duplicates. Make sure the sheet has a header row. The output, what you now have is a clean list of every unique URL your competitor has ranking in the top 10 for that topic, plus a total number of pages you were up against. This number is not meant to intimidate you, it is meant to ground you. It shows you how much surface area they own and how much coverage Google and AI systems already associate with them for that topic. This is your reality check, and it's not just about the number of pages. Quality matters immensely as well. Use it to decide if the juice is worth the squeeze. The outcome, if you decide to pursue the campaign, this list becomes your benchmark, not a checklist to copy page by page. It's a reference point. Your goal is not replication, your goal is better plus differentiation. You bring a clear point of view, better structure, stronger usefulness, and tighter intent alignment as you methodically build towards relevance. Over time, you chip away at the share voice, not by chasing one keyword, but by earning your place in the topic itself. That is how big topics are actually won online. If you want help running this activity or getting topic dominance, reach out to us at avalanchegr.com.